In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create borders using Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean, adjustable borders called strokes in Figma to any shape, align them to the outside, and fine-tune both thickness and color for a polished look. First, go to Figma and open a file where you want to work. You can use an existing design or start with a blank page. Either is fine. If you're brand new, don't worry. The process is simple and the same across files. Make sure you're in the Design tab so the right side panel shows the properties you'll need. Next, look toward the bottom of the interface and select the Shapes tool. Choose the rectangle, ellipse, line, or any other basic shape you want to style. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift while you drag. Once the shape is on your canvas, make sure it's selected so its settings appear on the right. With the shape selected, move to the right side panel and find the stroke section. This is Figma's term for borders. If stroke is turned off, enable it so you can see the border appear around your shape. This panel is where you'll control all aspects of the border. Now, set the stroke alignment to outside. You'll see three alignment options: inside, center, and outside. Choosing outside keeps the border outside the shape's bounds, which is great when you don't want the stroke to reduce your shape's inner area or affect spacing. It also helps keep your layout consistent when you increase thickness later. From there, adjust the size of the border by changing the stroke weight. You can use the up and down arrows or type a specific value. Thinner strokes, like 1 to 2 pixels, are subtle and clean, while thicker strokes can create emphasis or a button-like feel. If you're working across multiple elements, stick to a small set of sizes for consistency. Finally, change the color of the border using the color picker in the stroke section. You can choose from the palette, enter a hex value, or sample a color from your design with the eyedropper. Consider contrast and accessibility. Darker strokes on light backgrounds and lighter strokes on dark backgrounds usually read best. If you need a softer look, reduce the opacity slightly instead of changing the hue. And that's it. Open Figma, pick a shape, enable stroke, align it outside, set the size, and choose your color. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.